in the Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab. Today we will calculate BMI, that is Body Mass Index. Why we do BMI? So BMI is measurement of person weight with respect to his or her height. So there is one formula to calculate the BMI. So the formula is weight measures in kilogram and height measures in meter scale. If we do this formula, if we done by this process, we will calculate the BMI of a person. After that, we will check the persons whose BMI is calculated, he is underweight, he is normal, or he is obese. So for that, we will just measure, we have some categories to measure the BMI. One is very severe underweight conditions. The persons whose BMI is less than 15 kilogram meter square, that category is underweight. Another is severe underweight. That is the persons whose BMI is 15 to 16 are put in this category. Another category is underweight. In this categories, the person weight BMI is 16 to 18.5. We can say the persons having normal BMI and is healthy persons whose BMI is in between 18.5 to 25 kilogram meter square. After that, there is overweight persons, obese having three categories in BMI. That is obese class 1, 2, 3. That is moderate, severe or very severe obese. According to this, doctors can calculate and doctor can observe what was the main reasons of the disease if the person's having higher BMI. Like if person's having higher BMI, there is risk of high cholesterol levels, there is type 2 diabetes, there will be maybe heart problems, gallbladder's disease, sleep disorders. In sleep disorders like bulimia nervosa, bulimia nervosa means the person is eating large amount of food in case of very less time. Another is persons having joint disease and persons having osteoarthritis, that can be calculated by only BMI. Another BMI will occur due to the sedentary lifestyles. Sedentary lifestyle means person is eating, he is not doing any exercise and his body weight was increased. Now question is arise, if BMI is less than 18.5, what was the reasons? So the persons whose BMI is less than 18.5, that is underweight categories, and this will due to malnutrition or eating disorders. So another one questions, the children whose BMI is more, what are the high risk factor? Means the children whose BMI is more, there is chance for asthmatic disease or psychological stress. That is calculated by BMI. The scale pointer before weighing, ensure that scale pointer had 0 reading. If the scale pointer is not on 0, then calibrate it. Firstly, our volunteer will take off her footwear and personal article like mobile. I request to the volunteers, please stand on the weighing machine. So get off the weighing personal scales, note down the reading and again check the scale pointer to ensure that the scale pointer had 0 reading. Our second step is measure the height of the volunteer. Volunteer should remove the footwear and She should stand erect on the stage. Inhale deep, breathe, hold the breath while maintain the head and body in the same position. And check the height by the scale. Yes. Remove the volunteer and measurement is recorded. Now we will start our observation. In our observations, our volunteer name is Miss Avileen Kaur, age is 26 years, and her body weight is 57 kilogram and height is 162 centimeters. So according to our formula, the formula says BMI is calculated weight by height in meter square. So weight is 57 kg and height we have to 162 centimeter, that is converted into 1.62 meters in 1.62 meters. So according to calculations, 57 we are multiply 1.62 into 1.62, that is 2.62. 57 divided by 2.62, that is calculate 21.7 kilogram meter square. So the BMI of Miss Avileen Kaur is 21.7 kilogram meter square. That is under the category of normal, that is she is healthy volunteer. So dear students, this is the formula how to calculate the BMI. Now you can also do these activities for your family members and calculate the BMIs to all your family members and comment on this channel. If you have any queries, you can write your comment. We will solve your questions. Thank you very much.